'Cause it's the Indian. Just like a cocoon, girl, I wanna wrap you up.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. But I just want to come on here real quick and just big up mad everybody. But I just want to big up everybody for the love and for the support and everything else where you guys been showing. Me really appreciate it. All them wicked messages there where me been getting, trust me, big up. Me see them, me read them, me love them. Alright, some of the recipes them where, you know, you guys ask me to prepare for you because sometimes I don't get the time. I don't really have the time to like get into the cooking. But trust me, I'll get to it. Just have patience, right? This video may pass, Christmas may pass, New Year may pass by the time you see this. But I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And just continue for the show love, and I continue to show you guys love. And you know, this is a short, just a small video letting you guys know I appreciate my 5,000 subscribers. I know I'm actually at 8,000 subscribers, right? And it wouldn't have happened if I never owned you guys. So I have to go on all the love. I big up all the people who follow me on Instagram, and all the people who send my friend requests on Facebook. My love, you know, alright? Mad love, mad respect, mad big up, mad everything. You see what I say? Love and unity. So, alright guys, more nice videos coming, and just continue to hold it down for me. I'm going to continue to put out wicked recipes, and just continue to follow me on IG at Q2 Juliana. The link is right here as well. Don't forget to check out my other channel, JAMJAMIEI. The link is also going to be right here as well. Once again, guys, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. Bye.
Just like a cocoon, girl, I wanna wrap you up. Don't wanna let you go, girl, I wanna keep it touch. And if distance separates us and things are far, as long as you know, girl, I wanna wrap you in my arms. Baby, love me.